Hi guys, how to delete cookies for a specific website in Google Chrome? It's really simple. For that, go to the top right corner, click on these three dots. Then from here, select the settings. After that, go to the left side, privacy and security. Then at the bottom, site settings. From here, select view permissions and data stored across sites. Here we have all of our cookies. Now go to the search bar, search for the website, suppose Listal. Now we can either click on this button or this one. Just a single left click and we are done. So guys, that's how easily we can delete cookies from a specific website in Google Chrome. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.